guys, welcome back to another video. It is Life of Ollie here, aka I'm called Ollie, that's why it's called The Life of Ollie. Well, it's actually, scrap that, it's Life of Ollie. Now we've got that done, why have you clicked on this video? Well, you probably know because of the title. It's not going well. We are going to watch the fireworks, and I thought, why not bring you along with us? There's probably many reasons, but I wanted to bring you guys this journey, this moment. I also haven't uploaded in a while. Where are we?
Jackie Palmer's.
What are we doing here?
Picking up Karen!
Oh wow, what a grand entrance.
That was perfect timing as well. Hi friend!
Hello. I'm literally not ready at all. I'm just gonna...
That's so
oh
fine.
no, not the camera! I look awful.
No you don't even lie. Oh look at her!
Zoom. We've collected Karen, as you've just seen. She's going to go get ready because she's just been teaching, and
Loser.
We are going to guess how long it takes her to get ready. She got out of the car at 3:30, so she's already been 2 minutes. What's your guess?
20 minutes.
So you reckon 3:50?
Yeah, maybe 3:52. She had to get in the door.
I'm going to go with... Do I go higher or lower?
Ooh.
I'm going to go 2:47.
So you're going back in time, thinking it's 3:33.
3:47 is what I'm going with. 3:47 is my answer.
Guess the song.
Should we play rock, paper, scissors?
That's such a shit game. Can we clarify before we go?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
So, oh, that's okay. That's a new one. So do you
What,
get
rock, paper, scissors, shoot is a new one.
Yeah, but do you go like rock, paper, scissors, your position on the shoot, or rock, paper, scissors, shoot, then your whatever you're doing?
No.
Do you know what I'm saying?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
So that's the answer to my question. You go on for
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I win.
1-0. We'll play to 5
Okay.
because we have time.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1-1.
No.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors.
Whoa, that was very speedy. Slow down.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No. 2-2. It's all to play for.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No.
3-2. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 4-2.
No.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes! I win! Go me. Go me.
Loser.
Go. Any second now.
Here we are on day 3 of the stakeout. Watching our prey. It's very steamy, isn't it? That's very close to my face.
So what are you most looking forward to about the fireworks?
The food. What are they called? Fairground rides and food and atmosphere. I hear a door.
Oh, there she is.
She looks pretty.
She looks stressed out.
She does look very stressed out. She looks so nice. So I win the game. Oh, you've locked it. You've tracked her outside. I win the game because
about this?
it's currently 3:58 and I guessed 3:50. I win! Loser.
We've come so far, so we should stay a while. Just take it slow. Focus on you and I. So much to do, so much to say. Just let it wait, or we can take our time.
There's a bar there, babe. It's got no queue.
I'll go left this time, I'll be right.
You'd be left, you wouldn't be right. Well,
That's awful.
No, but that is left though.
Amy laughed. Because she
Amy.
said if I went left, I would be right.
Oh, Oh.
So we made it to Ascot, guys. It's a little bit rainy. We
A
don't really
little
feel.
bit rainy.
I mean, it is only a little bit. It's
Ollie's
drizzling.
trying to lighten the mood with his shit jokes.
Oh, geez, so much attitude tonight. Oh, good heavens.
Good heavens. Oh look, there's music. That's the side to be.
Oh, bust some moves.
Go on, Karen. Wow. Margarita pink. Margarita pink.
What are you having?
Booze.
Pepperoni pizza.
What have you got on the cups?
Just Coke?
Just Coke. Yeah.
No vodka. No vodka.
No, we are teachers. We do not do that.
Sober life, you know what I mean?
They're lying.
Look, I'm drenched. It's a bit rainy out here.
Do you know what?
We didn't prepare for the weather.
It is beautiful sunshine. We could be in Mallorca right now.
Ollie forgot the umbrellas.
And he forgot the gloves, so my hands are freezing.
They're blaming me. But it's not going to be freezing when we eat our margarita pizzas.
It will.
And
Or
pepperoni.
Look at that.
We're number 16.
We're gonna go on that.
We're gonna go on that. Woo!
Are you actually?
Yeah.
God.
So how was the ride?
I did feel my pizza just sort of come up.
Okay, Karen, how did you find the ride?
Really good!
All in all, it was so much fun because I just slammed
into Ollie.
slammed into you. How did you find the ride?
Yeah, it was lovely. It started slow and then it started to speed up a bit. And then I slowly got more jammed into the wall as it started to speed up and faster and faster. I had, you heaving, Aimee squishing me. It was all just a bit crazy, but yeah.
We had a great time.
Here we see the wild Keren in her natural habitat of the sweetie section.
Bag.
She's ready to grab a bag and fill it up.
We're gonna have a pink one.
Get the fizzy colas in that bag.
How many do you want?
A lot.
Doing good so far.
Watch out, watch out! It's snakes!
I actually hate snakes. Fuck off.
Well, I hate spiders. You dressed the house up in those yesterday.
It's
Okay.
Halloween. Go for yourself.
There's so many sweets here.
Some lips. But you know.
Some of them are interesting looking though.
Oh. I'll try to put that in my bag.
You know what I'm eyeing up?
These ones on stuff.
The unfizzy colas. Oh yeah! Oh, and our friend Steve.
So you're our adopted child.
Okay. Okay, Mum and Dad.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, I'm just
First
a
letter of my
baby.
name.
Oh,
Only one or
We're only
two.
halfway round.
Good heavens.
I'm exhausted.
there you go. I got a brown one, but that's for me. Brown one.
Look at our. There. I want the ring.
You're getting a ring.
I would like a ring. I would like a ring. I would like a ring.
Oh my god, we can film that.
Any diamonds actually for
For TikTok.
I would like a ring.
We'll do that for a TikTok. That'll get the views up.
Guys, it's actually really
Watch
hot.
out, Aimee. There are snakes in there.
I know. I can see. I'm trying to avoid things I don't
I'm
want.
smelling something really fizzy, but I don't know what it is. We skip past this bit. Okay.
Oh wow, it's getting full. We're done. Well, no, Aimee's full. You done? Take a look. How much? Prices. How much are we at?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know how much.
I'm going to say
£3.50 for 100 grams. I think £15.
I'm going to go £12.50. Oh, for sure.
I'm gonna go 100 grams. I know that one.
Yours is lighter than ours.
I might go.
Is this for yours or ours?
This is for mine. For mine, I guess.
For mine.
£14.70. For theirs, I guess. £15.10.
Okay.
That's a crazy prices for sweet, isn't it?
Feel the desire.
Won't close. I'll try. Hold up.
Mad beef going on right now.
Oh Yeah.
Trying to see if
No, you
Karen
can't put that in because I'm like double-handed. They're not both mine. It might.
does it need to
Put
close?
it in. You never need a bigger size. You've got this. Hold on. I'll push against you. Go. Go.
No! Come on!
Okay. Interesting. What's going on here? Oh.
Round 2!
I'm ready.
Go, push! Push! No, it won't go. It's not going to go.
Well, just leave the bag open. Why don't you just leave it like that?
It will go.
my
Hold
sweeties.
these. Hold these.
Floor. Not happening.
I look like
Can you tell I'm a dancer?
Wait, hold on.
Bust out some frisbee.
Stay down.
Like a 4-year-old mum.
Ta-da!
Success.
So Amy, what are we doing here? So you've
Can
got
you say that again?
you've got headphones in.
I have my headphones in because I don't like the sound of fireworks. It really makes my brain go.
Awesome.
So I have to put music in on full blast so I can't hear him.
What tunes are we gonna put on?
Tate McRae, what a surprise. We're going to start with Miss
I
Possessive.
think we should play Firework by Katy Perry because the fireworks are going to be in the sky.
No. It's so pretty.
I was Tate McRae by Amy.
Wow.
It was hella fruity. It was absolutely sweet Caroline last night.
Were you?
Yeah, it had a ball. It was great. It's all click.
Hold on, I'm not ready. No one else is by me.
That'd be losers. Losers are Ascot. When the winners are in. It's choreography and everything.
Touching me.
Bam, bam, bam.
Sweet Caroline.
Flash on. I think it makes a difference.
To fireworks at 40 foot in the air, I don't think you need the
I
flash.
think it's better if there's no flash.
Sorry, my headphones are really
I made that decision myself, not because of you.
Hi guys, welcome to Fireworks. We're going to do a countdown from 10.
This is the correspondent all the way from Ascot, Amy.
Gentlemen, boys and girls, let's give some fellow firework enthusiasts good evening.
Who's ready for fireworks?
We have a really wonderful nice evening. We're not bad from Ascot Fireworks.
Can't really hear what he's saying, to be honest.
He's stumbling.
He sounds like you.
He looks like, sorry, he sounds like he's had a bit too many Long Island iced teas, I say.
Thanks to your generosity.
Not like me though, this is water.
I literally drink water.
I literally can't believe they're so late. Like, this is so, like, unprofessional.
unprofessional.
I came all the way from the States and this is not on.
Like, if
Ascot.
I was running this event, question to ask Erin.
Go, do it.
So, Ollie has a podcast that I am now co-host for.
Am I going to be a guest?
Do you want to be our first guest?
I'll have to check my busy schedule, but yes!
Yay! We have our first guest for, I don't know what the podcast is
The Backstory Podcast.
The Backstory. Why is it? Okay, the Backstory podcast. You can ask.
I got backstory last night.
I got backstory last night.
Just set it alight.
Do you know what I think? Shut up.
Every other weekend, throwing on my jeans and heading out to see your face. Feeling my heart beating for no other reason that we both know we can't wait. So come with me, let me show you things you have seen in movies before. It's not impossible if you want to, I'll pick you up at your door. 'Cause I spend my days working 9 to 5 so I can dress you like Summers in Chicago, winters in Miami, Sydney, Monday, Mexico. So come with me, let me show you things you have seen in movies before. It's not impossible if you want to. I'll pick you up at your door. 'Cause I spend my days working 9 to 5 so I can dress you like I'm your king. Living my best life. Living my best life. Living my best life. Living my best life. We've come so far, so we should stay a while. Just take it slow. Focus on you and I. So much to do, so much to say. Just let it wait, or we can take our time. Feel the desire, baby. Don't wanna let this go. It's so uncommon, trust me. Our love is beautiful. We could be invincible. Our love is unstoppable. I think it's time I put my heart on the line. Give me some time, show me the world and tell me all your secrets. Confide in me and you will see that you know I can keep on stepping to my eyes. Let me stay there for a while and shine your light. Shine your light on me. I'm feeling great, let's celebrate the moment when we have it. I'll make a toast and sip our love and we know that it's magic. Step into my eyes, stay there for a while and shine your light on me. Our love is unstoppable. We're miles apart, just like two satellites. Will we collide into a diamond sky? Feel the desire, baby. Don't wanna let this go. It's so uncommon, trust me. Our love is beautiful. We could be invincible. Our love is unstoppable.